All right, guys, let's talk more about grass. Let's talk about what you can be doing, things that we are seeing. We are at a lawn here that we take care of in Draper doing a fertilization application, and we noticed we have this lawn. If you can see here, you see these blades of grass that have this white mildew all over it. This is actually called powdery mildew. So basically, it's getting overwatered. There's not enough sunlight back here. If you look at this house, it is the north side of a pretty much 3 stories right here because it's a walkout basement. So this doesn't get hardly any sun, and it's just getting too much water. So hopefully, preferably, we prefer not to have to put a fungicide down on this grass. If you can cut back the watering, then this stuff tends to go away, this white stuff. Basically, you just look at it. This stuff will rub off. That's how you know it's white powdery mildew. A really good tip, look at your sprinklers. This is a sprinkler nozzle. If you see on the tip there, you have a flathead screw. Sorry, it's not very focused. Right there. You can take a little flathead screwdriver and start turning this. Turn it righty-tighty means it will tighten it down and it will allow less water out of this one particular nozzle. That way you don't just turn the minutes down, because there's a chance that the same exact zone has areas of tons of sunlight. So just in these areas with a ton of shade, especially if you have this powdery mildew, tighten down these nozzles slightly so you see less water coming out of these nozzles. That will really help, and it will reduce the amount of mold, powdery mildew, fungus. And also, if you have too much water in shady areas, the lawn will just thin out. It'll drown out the roots and go down to bare dirt eventually. So hopefully this helps. If you need help with lawn fertilization or pest control, we would love to help you out. Give us a call. We'd love to help you. Otherwise, I hope you have a good day.